in. We are doing our February vlog. However, I have not done any vlogging all month. So my name is Dawn with Chicken Run Creations, and this will probably just be another talking through what I have done for the last month. I'm going to try and pop in a few video samples of some of the things that I worked on this month, but it's been a pretty good month. I was very productive. I'm happy with what I got accomplished. I didn't get everything done that I wanted to do, but you know, for a short month, I think I did pretty good. So I'll just kind of walk through some of the stuff that I did get done this month. I made myself some notes this time so I wouldn't forget. First, we'll talk about my tutorials that I do. The beginning of the month, the end of last month, I released one of my membership tutorials of an elephant. And so I got a few more. Sorry, Sunny's going to start chatting because I'm chatting. I got a few more orders for that the first week of February, so that was pretty good. And then I released my seal tutorial. Show him here. So I had a few orders for that. That is over. The elephant you cannot get anymore, but the seal is available over on my website, and I think I can pop up a link up here so you guys can directly go to that if you want to. So he is available. And then I also put up on YouTube a horse bookmark tutorial that I made for my granddaughter for Christmas. I filmed that. I think I did a voiceover on that so you could follow along. But I also include with that a link where you can download a chicken and a fox pattern as well. So if you wanted to make those, that you can find somewhere on the YouTube channel. So I did sell 24 tutorials this month. So I think I had my best month ever with my tutorials. It's not a lot in the grand scheme of things, but considering in the past I've been lucky to sell, you know, a few here and there. So I'm very, very happy with that. And hopefully as my tutorial library continues to grow, hopefully the sales will keep coming in. Speaking of tutorials, I had started an order/tutorial. I don't know if I might have mentioned it last month, I don't remember, but my niece had asked me if I could make her a whimsical bumblebee. And so I decided that I would record that as a tutorial as well. Unfortunately, I haven't had a chance to work too much on it. This is as far as we have gotten with him. I think he's going to be pretty cute. So hopefully my plan, since I don't have any orders at the moment, is to work on him. She was in no rush to get it because she'll be here in June to visit her mom, my sister, and then she said she would get it from me then, so there's no big rush on getting that one done. But I don't have any other orders at the moment, so my plan is to spend this coming week working on that. I think that was all as far as the videos go. I am working still on my cottage workshop, and I can show you where I am with that. I still have to finish this up. So this is where we are with the cottage. Still have a long ways to go before I can even start to think about offering it as a workshop. But hopefully this month I'll have a chance to work more on it. It's, you know, it's kind of not really high on the priority, but I would like to really do it and offer it. So that is in the works. As far as orders this month, I had 2 orders beside the bee order. I had an order for a little mini bunny. Give my members that video. I didn't record me talking through the process. I just recorded the video because I wanted to get it done. But I uploaded that to my membership hub so they can follow along if they want to make one of those. And then I also did I had an order come in for an otter, which I do have a tutorial for over on my website. And so I got that done, and I'll pop a picture of that up here as well because it's already gone to his new home. So they both turned out really cute, so I'm happy with how they turned out. Let's see here. Oh, my auction that I had at the end of last month, beginning of this month, did really, really well. I was very happy with the outcome of that. I might have touched on it last month. I don't remember. I was going to go back and watch last month's vlog, and I totally didn't. I wanted to get this done. But I was very happy with how that went, and for those of you who purchased from that, a huge thank you for that. So in my membership hub, I probably showed part of this to you last week, but we were doing, or last month, we were doing this little goat on a heart, and I think he turned out really sweet. I do need to add a ribbon to it. I tried to find, I haven't been to Hobby Lobby. I tried to find a ribbon at Walmart, and I didn't like their selection, and I haven't gotten to Hobby Lobby yet, so I need to get to Hobby Lobby and see if I can find a ribbon that I like. Otherwise, I'll just probably pull something out of my box and put that in. But he's really cute. And then we started over there a seahorse. So this is how far we have gotten with him so far. He's, I'm hoping to finish him this week. We'll see. I gotta add the like little white spiny things across the his back here. But wasn't too sure if I was gonna like him, but I do. I kind of like the little purple in there, so I think he'll come out pretty good. And oh, and then on my page, we finished the groundhog that I started over there. Gave him a little heart here, and I think he's really sweet. I like the little puffy hair. So he is available on my YouTube channel, so you can find out how to watch him on my channel there. And then I started Thursday our next critter, which is going to be an Irish frog. We got his head partially done here. So we'll be continuing. He'll probably be at least a 3 or 4 week one. So that's on my Facebook page every Thursday at 3 Eastern if you want to join us there. And then I do upload those videos onto YouTube, my YouTube channel as well. So that's where we are with those. Like I said, the cottage workshop, hopefully I can get more. I was hoping to run it this month, but we'll see if I actually get it done here, how time goes. Let's see here. Oh, I did want to mention, somebody had a question about my membership hub. So it's hosted on a platform called Substack, which is kind of a newer social media platform. It's geared towards blogging and writing and stuff like that. But you can also do videos, you can do podcasts. There's quite a bit that you can do there. And it's also an email list, so you can, collect emails there. So I decided to do that instead of Patreon just because of the fees were a little bit less over there, and it gave me a little bit more options than what I could do on Patreon. So if you are interested, there should be a link down below for the email list. And then for the paid list, my paid hub, which is over there as well, you get, every week I go live in Facebook, and then I download the video over there to Substack so that you can find it, if you don't have time to do it while I'm doing it live and on my Facebook group. You can watch the replay over there. And it's pretty easy. I mean, I send out an email every week for both my members and for just the email list, because I upload my Facebook lives onto where everybody can see them over there as well. So if you're a member, you'll get 2 emails a month or a week, and if you're not a member, you'll get once a week. Usually on Sundays, I email, and then I just kind of go over what I've been doing for the week on my email for the just the email list, the free email list. But, if you have any questions, it's only $10 a month, and you can cancel at any time. But it's kind of fun. I get to chat with people. You can request special makes. I have also an idea hub that you get free access to, and also any of the tutorials that I come up with, you get free access to those as well. So, it's more than worth the $10 a month. So, in fact, the little B, you'll get free access to the B tutorial when that comes out over there. So there should be a link below that you can sign up for the email list, and if you're interested, when you go there, you'll have the option of either getting the free list, or you can join the membership hub. But that's basically all Substack is just a platform for hosting. But I think that's it for this month. I was just doing some brain dumping for next month, and what I'm hoping to do is to finish that bee tutorial. My goal was to do one tutorial a month to put on my website, and of course February kind of happened because I got the seal up, but that means I didn't get one in January, but that's okay. I'm hoping to finish the cottage and get that workshop ready to go. I still have to figure the tech stuff out to do that, but first priority is to get the sample done. Then I'm hoping to do a little bit better with my vlogging and maybe do an update every week. We'll see whether that really happens or not. And then I'm hoping, I'd like to do an Easter sale the end of March. See if I can get anything made. We have a trip coming up soon to go check on my father-in-law, and I was thinking that while we were driving, I might make a whole bunch of eggs out of core wool, and then when I get back, kind of decorate them up. My last sale really, or auction actually, really cleaned out a lot of my product. So I don't have a whole lot of stuff available at the moment. I did do a website update, adding the Groundhog and the seal to it this week. But I don't have a whole lot there, and a lot of these stuff that I still have available are more seasonal, Christmas, Halloween, fall stuff. So I'm like, I need to make some spring and Easter stuff. So we'll see if I have time to do that. See if I get any orders in or not this month, and we'll just kind of play it by ear and see what I can get accomplished. But I think that's it for this month. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please feel free and hit that subscribe button. If you like to follow along with me, see what I have going on business-wise. And other than that, I think that's it for February. I'm looking forward to March. I'm looking forward to warmer weather. It's 40 and sunny today, so I'll take that. I think we could get close to 50 tomorrow, so that'll be nice. The snow needs to melt because there's still an awful lot of it out there on the ground. But anyway, so thank you for joining me this month. Go back and check my other videos. I have lots there that you can choose from if you want to follow along with me. Anytime, if there's anything that you would like to see me make, drop it in the comment and I'll see what I can do, or over on my Facebook page. And I think that's all I have for you for this month. So thanks for watching.